Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to know when to water your houseplants. So houseplants don't all need water on the same day. A better routine is to check each plant and keep an accurate record on when it was last watered. Because, here's the trap most people fall into. Assuming every plant needs water every Sunday. But watering isn't one size fits all. Your plant's actual thirst depends on the three big things: the type of plant, the soil mix, and its environment. So here's where Arrosa comes in handy. So if you don't know yet, or if you don't know how to download it, just basically open your app store and go ahead and go to the bottom right. Just tap on search. Now at the top, you have the search bar. Just tap on it and then just type down Arrosa, Arrosa Plant Water Tracker. Tap on go and then tap on get right here. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it up. So as you can see here, I've already added 4 plants in this section. Now, if you want to add one, just basically tap on add a plant. And then you could use AI right here to identify with a photo, or use the search plant type if you are sure what type of plant you have. Let's say you have a bamboo palm, lucky bamboo. I'm going to add in lucky bamboo and then just tap on add right here. There you go. And it's been added. Now let's go ahead and check these statuses. You have happy, to water. Let's say you've just added the lucky bamboo. You're going to want to tap on it. If it needs watering, okay, if the soil is dry, go ahead and water it now. If the soil is still damp, tap on soil still damp, and then it will then go ahead and remind you after 9 days to plant your lucky bamboo. That's how simple it is to use it. So when you get notified right here, it says to water, right? It just reminds you, or it is a prompt to check the plant, not a command to water it automatically. You must go ahead and check the soil if it's damp or dry. So as you can see here, it says happy. These plants at the top says happy. I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. I've already watered it. Now it will go ahead and remind me after or within 21 days. And when you go ahead and tap on the information icon at the top of it, as you can see here, you will know where to place it and the difficulty on how hard or easy it is to have this specific plant. Right? When we go ahead and scroll down, you have the care calendar. So on the 11th, I've already watered it. So in 21 days, it should go ahead and remind me to water it as well. So care tips, as you can see here, it says wipe each leaf from base to tip. Choose a heavy pot with drainage, only slightly wider than the roots. Now remove damaged leaves close to the soil. It's very important. Now, if you want to delete the entry, well, all you got to do is just tap on delete right here at the very bottom. Now tap on X at the very top. And again, if it's happy right here, you don't need to water it. Okay? If it notifies you to water, well, check the soil. And again, if it's damp, don't water it. If it's dry, go ahead and water it. So as you can see here, different plants or several plant species can have different care rhythms. So you must go ahead and check them. For example, we have a rubber plant right here. So water every 11 days. It should be placed under a bright indirect light. And rotate the pot a quarter turn each month. Pretty intuitive, right? So bamboo right here, we've seen it earlier, water every 7 days. Lucky bamboo every 9 days, and aloe vera every 21 days. So if you have questions, plant care suggestions, or ideas for future Arrosa features, you can also join the Arrosa's community on Discord, and the invitation link is in the description below. So if you want these types of features, go ahead and try Arrosa. And again, if you want to, you can go ahead and scan this QR code directly from your phone or iPhone. Now you can go ahead and add in up to 5 entries right here for free. Now, if you want to upgrade, by all means, tap on the crown button right here. And then it says unlimited plants and photos, adaptive reminders, a guard of the field like yours, and exclusive widgets. And again, that is how when to water your houseplants. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.